Almas Industries, Cuebly and Magneta present a groundbreaking integration for lone worker protection and monitoring. In the fast-paced world of manufacturing and logistics, lone worker safety is paramount. The challenge? Real-time monitoring and rapid response. Introducing a seamless integration that brings together the best of lone worker protection tailored for your industry. With cutting-edge Bluetooth beacons, track your lone workers internally, ensuring their safety within the complex environments of manufacturing and logistics. Know who is in each location at any time. SOS buttons allow your lone worker to initiate an emergency response if they suffer an accident or emergency. Man-down alerts, triggered by inertia or a fall scenario, alert you to an incident when the lone worker may not be responsive. Customised responses depending on the alert type. Whether it's an SOS or man-down situation, our system ensures the right action at the right time. Need immediate assistance? Alert first aiders in the vicinity. Fast, efficient, and potentially life-saving. Enhance efficiency, compliance, and peace of mind. Our integration is more than a solution, it's a commitment to safety.